This is Iron Trader. It is Monday the 8th. As usual, we're going to take a look here at the crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude on the daily chart. Now, last night when the futures opened, we got ourselves a higher high, and the key is we were looking at is this 8 SMA, now sitting at 72.51. Okay, now you can see how it's coming down. It rolled down, and now it's going sideways. If this price right here can close above that key 8 SMA, then we have a good shot at going higher. So let's look at the resistance levels. So what we want to do is we want to look at this resistance levels right here next. This here is going to be 74.58. Then we want to look here at this 50 SMA here, sitting at 75.54. You got 76.60 on your 100 SMA, and then you have 76.95. That's your 21. Now, this is going to be a very, very tough resistant area. You can see how it goes all the way across on how tough that's going to be. But if it can close above, then we start looking to these candles here. So what you got is you got 78.39, and then you're going to have here is 79.07. Then we're going to have 79.91. You're going to have 80.47, and then your retest here of your 200A is going to be at 81.49, and then your big retest is 83.53. But let's not get excited about that. We want to look at two key levels. That's going to be this 8 SMA here, a close. On a closing basis, it needs to close above. We don't want to have it just like an intraday. Okay, and then the next one is going to be this 50-day and 100-day. Everything's all jammed up like right there. Now, if it sells down, obviously you want to watch that 8 SMA. Then we want to do is look to the top of this candle here. Okay, this is sitting at 71.81. Then we want to look at the top of this candle here. Okay, this is sitting at 69.84. Then we look to the bottom of this candle here. This is sitting at 67.95. Okay, that would be your key support levels here. And then obviously if it's lost, then we can go down to the bottom of this candle here. You're sitting at 66.82. And then we can go all the way down here to this retest, which is 64.36. And then Friday's low at 63.64. But we don't want to worry about this right here right now. This looks very bullish. See how this red dog candle here. This was a really nice candle where it just boom and then right on up and then long. So I am still long the UCO from 2050. Okay, and I'm looking here to see what's going to happen here at this 50 SMA here, if it can rally up and in this key 8 days. So let's go take a look here at the weekly and the monthly chart. All right, here we have the nice weekly chart. So basically what you have here is a nice double bottom. Even though it's at a lower low, look how it just pulled right off. So you got a 64.36 right there, okay, and you have 63.64. And I remember crude, this thing moves. That's why I love trading it, because it moves. You just got big volume, good movement, and it's all the time. It's always in play. So let's look at the upside. All right, so what we want to do is we want to look at this 8 SMA sitting at 75.92 and this 21 sitting at 76.72. Those are your big key targets there. That's what we definitely want to see as it's going on up. Now, right now, the price is above this monthly. This is a key level right here. This is sitting at 72.71. So right now, the price is above that. That is going to be a key level. If you can close this above this on a monthly time frame, then we have a good shot here at this 78.60. That's that 8 SMA. But you notice how this thing, when it curved down, look where that price is. Bam, bam, bam. Even though it spiked high, it closed below that thing. So this is going to be a very key level if it gets up into that area at 78.60. And if it does, then you have a target here of 86.05. Now, also, you also have here this 50 SMA, but let's not get ahead of ourselves here. We have a lot of resistance in this area. And back on this daily, watch all this resistance level here and this key 8 SMA that it actually closes above. We will have more on this on the pit close here after 2:30 in-depth look and see what it did today. All right, so let's take a look here now at natural gas. All right, here we have the natural gas. Now we have a little bump up here, it looks like. See, we had actually four red candles right here. Okay, see how that is? So what we want to do is we want to watch the bottom of those candles. That's going to be your support levels, okay? So what we want to do is you want to look here at 2.081, and then you want to look at Friday's low here, 2.031, and then obviously there's 1.946. This is very, very critical. On your upside here, we want to look here at this 8 SMA. This is sitting at 2.179. Now, it needs to close above that. Even though you still have sideways action, it give you a little incentive to go on up. Then what we want to do is we want to look here at the 2.216. There's your 21, and then your 8-day is sitting here at 2.232, and then your 50-day is sitting at 2.32. Now, your channel is still intact. See, your trading channel is 2.529 on the top and 1.946. It's just that you just have a sideways basing action. You're in the shoulder season here, so there's really just like a big nothing burger. There's just nothing happening here right now with natural gas. What you need to do is it needs to have a catalyst, something like that, or needs some kind of a disruption, or something going on here. Now, always remember, come September, you got hurricane season, which is terrible for people, but it's good for the price of natural gas. So we got to just look at for some kind of a catalyst to go on to either move this higher or take this down. But really, just watch the key 2.529 in the upside and 1.946, and just do what I'm doing. I'm just trading the range. BOIL, boil for the long, and cold, KOLD for the short. Just doing scalps until I can see a big time direction. All right, thanks for watching.